Alright, update us.
Alright, we just got dropped off from Elephant Sanctuary. They actually took us here for free, which is awesome.
Where is here?
We are located in the Tiger Kingdom. Can't even see the sign. But okay.
There's no sign.
We're here in Tiger Kingdom. That's all.
That's all you got to say?
Yeah.
Yeah, share your elephant experience.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It was really good.
We'll probably do a separate vlog.
Yeah.
For
how to book, how to get there.
Yeah.
It's really good.
But yeah, so the Tiger Kingdom is a little bit easier to get into. There's not much logistics that goes into planning it. You just kind of show up and pick a package that you want to do. I think we're gonna do the big three, take three, which is a tiger of each size, baby, medium, and full-grown adult. So yeah, we're gonna get into this. Alright, we just finished up with the big tire, so the small tiger should be no issue. We got this at this point. More around. So yeah, they don't even care. They're true cats.
They're not drugged up. He said that they're up all night and playing around.
So by the time we get here, it's like whatever. I ain't entertaining y'all.
Yeah.
So whatever. I'm cool. Cause you cool. We both be cool, calm and collected. Cause I don't need the pressure. Where's the small? I think this is it. That's just tree bark. They're 7 months? Small. Bitch. Got your ass. Right together. Don't try him. So just finished up in the tiger kingdom. Pretty cool. The big ones are just so docile. Like they're like whatever. Sure. Okay, I'm gonna look up. Look this way. Look that way. The little ones, however, they won't when they want it. Skip, sir, rub me. Oh, don't rub me. Stop. Move. Wait. And I appreciate that. Don't have these people here just telling you what they gonna do and how they gonna touch on you and feel you and love you. If that ain't the way you want to be loved, don't accept that. And then, who was it? Me and my other girl was just talking. You know, I think I'm just gonna become the animal whisperer because all the animals love me. And she was laying her grievances on the table, and I just gotta say, I think she's done way more for society than Tony Tiger has ever done. I'm just saying, I may be talking out the side of my neck, but it's true.